Hello everyone, I am Suchita Mohri. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic numerical method. Subtopic is solution of ordinary differential equation by Midland predictor corrector method. Now first order first degree differential equation we solve by different methods, but here we discuss Midland's predictor corrector method. Miller predictor corrector method here dy by dx is equal to function of xy and given y of x not equal to y naught. Then we find out the first approximation of y. Here x naught equal to x naught, x equal to x naught plus nh. Now here first step is we find out four values y0, y1, y2 and y3 by using Taylor series method. If these values are already given in the problem, no need to find out these values by using Taylor series. We start the problem solution by directly second step. Now second step, calculate f naught equal to a function of x naught y naught, f1 equal to f of x1 y1, f2 equal to f of x2 y2 and f3 equal to f of x3 y3. Here x1 equal to x naught plus h, x2 is x1 plus h and x naught plus twice h. If we substitute the value of x1 is x naught plus h, then we get x naught plus twice h. x3 equal to x2 plus h, x2 value is equal to x naught plus twice h, therefore we get x naught plus 3h. In this way, x4 is equal to x3 plus h and x4 x naught plus 4h. In this way, if we generalize the statement is, then xn equal to x naught plus nh. Now here first we find out the predictor value y of y4 of p, then its value equal to y naught plus 4h by 3 and into twice f1 minus f2 plus twice f3. Now here f1, f2, f3 these values, we substitute all these values in the formulae and y naught is given in the problem, h is already given in the problem, or we decide from the given data and find out the predictor value. Then third step is we find out the first approximation by using the formula f4 of 1. Here f of x4 and y4 of p we have to substitute here. And then first better value of y4 is given by y4 of 1 and here y2 plus h by 3 into f1 plus 4f2 plus f4 of 1, which is called the corrector value. Now for better result we find out f4 of 2. Here we substitute instead of predictor value here y4 of 1 and find out y4 of 2 value. Similarly, if these two values are equal or the difference between y4 of 1 and y4 of 2 is less than 0.0005, then we stop the iteration. Otherwise, we have to find out next value y4 of 3. Continue this process and find out the value of y4 and x4 are obtained to desired degree of accuracy, and we find out y5 by using the same procedure. Now we discuss problem. Here solve dy by dx equal to this problem. Y of 0 is given, y of 0.1, y of 0.2, y of 0.3 are given. Evaluate y of 0.4. Now for this we needed four values which are less than 0.4. That means 0.3, 0.2, 0.1 and 0. All these values are already given in the problem. Therefore, we start the solution directly by second step here. If these values are not given, then we apply Taylor series method and find out these required consecutive four less values. Now here x naught is given, y naught is given, we easily find out f naught means function of x naught, y naught, its value is equal to 0.5 and function of xy is the right hand side of the equation. Similarly, we find out f1, f2, f3, these are the required values. Then by Miller's predictor corrector method, we first find out predictor value y4 of p, we substitute here y naught is 1, 4h by 3, h is 0.1, 4 by 3 into twice f1, this 2 into f1 value minus f2 value and plus twice f3. If we simplify this, we get this value 1.2771. Now we find out f4 of 1. Here instead of y4 we substitute y4 of p, that means this value. Here zero point 0.4 x4 value and y4 of p is 1.2771. We get this is the f4 of 1. Now by using corrector formula we find out y4 of 1. This is the formula. We substitute the values and we get the result y4 of 1 is 1.2796. Now we have to find out now f4 of 2 and then y4 of 2. We substitute here instead of predictor value y4 of p, we substitute here y4 of 1, that means 1.2796. Its value is 0.9496. Similarly, we find out y4 of 2. Here formula is same, but only the last term is instead of f1 of 1, f4 of 1, we substitute f4 of 2 and find out the y4 of 2 value. Its value is this. Now the previous value is 1.2796 and here 1.2797. The difference between these two consecutive values, that means y4 of 1 and y4 of 2, which is less than 0.0005. Therefore we stop the iteration and after this iteration final value of y is 1.2797 when x equal to zero point 0.4. Now here if evaluated the value of y for x equal to zero point 0.4 and x equal to 0.5, then we continue this process. We find after first iteration we get this, then we apply second iteration and make the changes in the formula. Instead of y0 we write down y1 and so on and find out the values of y for x equal to 0.1. In this way we solve the problem by using Middle's predictor corrector method. Thank you.